Hey everybody, Gisele Grenier here. Very quick video. I was asked about how to do wire wrapping without marking up the wire. And one of the things that you need to look at when you get your tools is that, and regardless if it's jewelry or manipulating wire for mixed media, your actual tools have to be flat. Like this one here, these bent nose pliers, they're flat, but there are some which I don't have here. Oh my god, I don't have it here. They're serrated, and those don't work. But what you can do is you can actually coat them so they're not serrated anymore. And like these ones here were serrated, but I coated them with this. Think of it like a vinyl cover. So I went to Michael's and I found this. I thought, okay, I gotta try this. And it says it's Tool Magic, prevents tools from marring and scratching wire designs. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. How much was that? I think, oh boy, I don't remember. I think, I'm thinking $9. Either $9 plus a coupon, or it was $18 and then there was a coupon. I'm not sure. But 100 applications, and it's not permanent because as you can see, this one's already starting to come off. You just have to re-dip it. So I'm going to show you what to do. So I've got these tools. These are all from Princess Auto, and they're amazing, but they're not meant for jewelry. And I'm finding that a lot of jewelry tools, they're not knocking them, but they're really expensive. And especially if you just started out with jewelry making, like these ones here are just as fine, but I'm going to show you how to dip them. I'm actually going to be graduating my flush cutter to something a little bit better. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to stir this and use it in a well-ventilated area because holy crap, Batman, this stuff stinks. So you won't be able to hear me on camera, but if you have a reaction to stuff like this, you really should be wearing a mask that protects from vapors. So like a NOsh rating of maybe 100 or something like that. But always read the safety labels to make sure that you're protected. Well-ventilated area is fine. So, right there. So, you want to know how hard this is? Take it, dip it, lift it out super slow, and put it aside to dry. That's it. That's it. Oh, did that wrong. Did that wrong. I've got palette paper here. I am totally confused. There we go. And then, so I'll just dip them. Cause I love these tools. And you want to just take a little bit more time to the way that I did it. Dip and pull it out super slow, and it gives time for the Tool Magic to coat and then just drip off to have a nice covering on it. You can even just do it like that, as long as it doesn't touch. As long as it doesn't touch, and that's almost. Okay, that one's already done. Then these ones here, phenomenal for making jump rings. It doesn't touch, but it's great for making jump rings. Now this one here, because it's really deep, what I could do with this one is just bring the Tool Magic up with a little stick. I don't need any fancy schmancy thingies for this. And it's just going to protect your wire, your metal. Like if you're using metal in your mixed media. Like that. I need another book. There we go. All right, so then the ones that are coming apart, re-dip, pull off any loose pieces, take them out, and re-dip. There, that's it. That's all you have to do. So, what you end up with, let me just close this because this smells. Always follow the directions, but look at that. See? And you can do wire work, bend metal, sheet metal, whatever, for your mixed media, and you won't have any of those markings from your serrated edges. So I hope this helps you. So this is the product, Tool Magic. I don't know if there's anything else out there, but this was the only thing we could find at Michael's to do that. And thank you to Joe for finding it for me. Thank you, Joe, for paying for it. And then there's a whole bunch of information. So there it is. All right. So I'm off to do another video. And until I see you in that one, stay inspired.